Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best high-quality HDMI cable you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many high-quality HDMI cable and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each high-quality HDMI cable, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a high-quality HDMI cable. First, check the cable's certification to ensure it meets the latest HDMI standards, such as high speed or ultra-high speed, which guarantee reliable performance for 4K or 8K video. Next, pay attention to build quality by looking for durable materials, strong connectors, and good shielding to reduce interference and maintain signal strength. Cable length also matters. Choose just the right length to avoid signal loss or clutter. Additionally, confirm compatibility with your devices, including TVs, gaming consoles, and sound systems to ensure seamless connectivity. Finally, remember that expensive doesn't always mean better. Choose a trusted brand with verified quality instead of paying more for unnecessary features. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.